everybody, Jamie at shopmask.com, and welcome to another MASC Minute. So one of the new products that was recently launched by Brickell is their clearing scar cream. So this is a cream that can be used to help with acne scars, but it's also beneficial for sun damage and even stretch marks. So it's basically going to help to, you know, those marks that you sometimes get that sort of linger on the skin after blemishes occurred. The product is intended to sort of reduce the appearance of those and fade them. And it does that with a few key ingredients. So the three ingredients are vitamin C, MSM, and then some antioxidants. So the vitamin C and MSM, they basically help to even out the skin tone by lightening the skin, brightening the skin, so your skin is just going to look more even and clear. And then the antioxidants also help to stimulate blood flow to the skin, which is going to help in the healing and repair process. So it looks like that. It's like a white cream. I'll put some on my hand here so you can see it. That's the consistency right there. So yeah, it is more like a treatment product. You wouldn't slather this all over your face unless you happen to have a problem all over your face. And it's got like a nice minty peppermint tea tree smell to it. So yeah, if you're looking for a way to reduce those acne scars or even scars or marks from stretching or sun damage, then this is definitely a good product to check out. Brickell Clearing Scar Cream. Check it out at shopmask.com, and it is in our store available in Vancouver too. Thanks for listening.